Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Deneen and this is Design by Denine. Today I'm participating in a DIY challenge for April with Sonja from Domestic Diva DIY. As always, I've linked Sonja's channel and the playlist in the description box below. Please go and check out Sonja as well as all the other people in the playlist. The theme for this month's challenge is Look for Less. I've used this Mercury style vase from Wayfair as my inspiration. Their vase sells for $159.99. I'm pretty sure we can do better than that. This is a super quick video. The whole thing's under 5 minutes, so why not just watch the whole thing?